Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fifth puzzle in today's newspaper on Friday, August the 14th, 2020. The fifth puzzle in this Sudoku. Let me position the camera. Yes, and this one will be number 1349. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes a 1. Between two O's comes a 1. Then double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, and there an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double, no, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Between an O and a 1, there's always an O and a 1. O and a 1. So here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then do I need to compare? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I need to compare. Let me see. O10. O101. No, it's not the same. How about 1101? No, I do not have this. 101. No, not the same. 010. Do I have a 010 here? No. Yes, I found one. This row and that row. 1 empty box 1 1. So I need to switch these two numbers, digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. 4 1, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then do I need to compare? Yes, I think I need to compare again. We have a 010. This column and the last column. 001100 empty box 11 empty box 0011. So I need to switch these two numbers. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF. Also, you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic one, aka Suguru in Japanese. So I will see you soon. Bye bye for now.